Hello kids, today I am going to teach you my favorite bird, peacock. The peacock is my favorite bird. It is our national bird. The peacock is a big and beautiful bird. It is a deep blue in color. It has a long thin neck. It has a colorful feathers. It is a very colorful bird and is found in many parts of the country. It can spread its feathers like a fan. The peacock can dance very gracefully. Wow, so beautiful! It has inspired a type of dance. The dancing peacock is very beautiful to see. This is a very rare sight. The female peacock is called a peahen. The peacock eats grain and worms. It helps in keeping the farmer's land free of insects that harms his crop. The Indian peafowl lives mainly on the ground, in open forest or on land under cultivation. I like my favorite bird, peacock. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.